the proposals raised by the Deputy President and Bomas have been incorporated, which are very welcome. The issue of IEBC has been addressed, and the commissioners will no longer be appointed by the two leading political parties and the president. The Senate has also been given more powers so that it has a more effective oversight role over the revenue collected and allocated to the counties. What is also welcome is that the National Police Service has been retained as is and maintains its independence as Kenyans always wanted the case. We also welcome the fact that women are back in the National Assembly, and that is welcome. Of course, we have the challenge that many of them will be nominated, but that is some of the points that we need to continue to have discussions and reach a consensus on. One of the issues that was raised in Bomas is that it is not fair and it is not equality for women to be all moved to the Senate and not retained at the National Assembly. I have noticed that the proponents of BBI have now caved in and accepted to bring back women to the National Assembly. The only challenge is they have proposed to bring them through nominations rather than elections. The challenge with this is, let's assume that 360 men are elected to the National Assembly. That will mean we will need to nominate 180 women into the National Assembly, bringing the total number of members of parliament to 546. And that goes against what Kenyans were demanding. Kenyans want to punguza muzigo, and they do not want to have ongeza muzigo. The other challenge is the women who will be nominated into the National Assembly will not be qualified to be appointed as cabinet ministers and will also not qualify to receive the CDF funds for activities. Therefore, they shall not be effective members of parliament. They shall be voting machines and flower girls. And that is not what we were looking for as we fought for the adherence to the 2/3 gender rule. We also have other challenges that will come with a huge number of members of parliament in the National Assembly. There is the challenge of space, the challenge of infrastructure, there is the challenge of the quality of debate, as they will not have opportunity to speak.